guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Kaya, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to get this cute hairstyle done with the beads and braids in your hair. So this tutorial is super easy and super fast, but I just wanted to share with you guys because I did say that I would share this with you a few videos back, and I'm going to keep my word. So without any more talking, let's get in with this video.
So first off, you're going to want to grab your strands of hair that you will be braiding, and you're going to want to dip it in water. After dipping it in water, you're going to want to spread them out into 3 strands for your basic braid pattern, and you're going to want to start braiding. You may need more water after a few braids in because it will dry, but that is all depending on your hair. Obviously, I did use more water afterwards, but you're going to need water. And after you've braided a bit, you're going to grab your first braid and put it on to the first strand of hair. This may take a while to get comfortable with. If you need to, you can always loop your hair. It's sometimes easier. As you can see, I did loop my hair here because it was easier for me. So after you finally get it on, you're going to want to bring it up to the end of the first braid pattern and then continue braiding underneath it so the bead does not fall out. After you've finished your first braid and bead and you are happy with the outcome, you're going to want to keep repeating that exact same pattern that you did the first time by braiding and adding water and then putting the bead on. You can obviously put as much water as you need to make it easier to get the bead on. There's no limit and no max amount of water you need on your hair. The more water, the better. It's all up to you and all depends on your hair. After you have repeated it, you can keep going and go to the desired amount of beads you would like on your braid. If it's hard to get the bead on regularly through the one strand of hair, you can do the loop technique that I showed you at the beginning, where you loop your hair, add water if necessary, and put the bead through the loop. It is 10 times easier than the regular way of putting the bead through. It's just optional depending on the hairstyle. Now I will be moving on to the other side, and I will do this side a little bit faster. Also, if you are up to it, you can also use your mouth as a water source to make the hair strand easier to put the bead through, as I did here, just because at the time I didn't have enough water. So those are your 2 options. You can either use your mouth or water, it just depends on how you feel. Now that I am done both beads, I'm going to show you some ways you can style your hair with this bead hairstyle. So the first way is grabbing a bandana and just wrapping it around your head over your hair, just like the pirate style. So I'll show you how it looks from the back. You just do it over your hair like that. So that was the first way, and now I'll be showing you guys the second way. So you're going to want to put your hair up in a ponytail, and it can be a little ponytail, even a high one, but low works best for me. Then you're going to grab your bandana again and wrap it around your head just like the first time. But instead of it going over your hair, it's going to go underneath the ponytail. And then you can fix it to however you need to, and then you will take the ponytail out. Now this is my favorite way to wear my hair when I have the beads as bangs like this, and you can definitely rock it with anything. These are just 2 ways of rocking it, but there's definitely multiple ways to do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope this tutorial helped you guys. I hope to be making more of these kind of videos in the future. They're really fun to make. If you guys would like to see more of my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and as well hit the bell to be notified when I post my next video. If you stayed this long in the video, make sure to hit the like button and check out all my other socials down in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye!